How to disable and turn off automatic video backup on Terabox app. Now this is very quick and simple tutorial. Now all you have to do is access your Terabox app and then go ahead and click your profile picture at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on automatic backup, and this is where you can turn it off or disable it. So So you can either choose to turn off automatic video backup, automatic folder backup, and automatic photo backup. You can also choose to backup photos using your mobile or cellular data and turn off your backup videos using your cellular data. So that's how easy you disable and turn off automatic video backup on Terabox app.